Everyone who has ever invested even a small amount in Bitcoin knows this feeling. I'm here for the technology, not for making money. It's not about the price, but about the people we met along the way. I was just speculating. I've never believed in this project. Yep, that is exactly not true. For 90% of people, it's all about the price. But what is truly fascinating is what happens when you finally cash out even your last penny from your investment. I don't know why Bitcoin just works like that. It's been pretty much the same for the past 10 years. And you know what? You jump in when it gets to the all-time high, believing your time will come now. And all over again. But what if I told you that Bitcoin will never stop rising? First, let's talk about what Bitcoin actually is. Bitcoin is a digital currency. It's something like a dollar, but exists only on your computer or a mobile. It doesn't matter. Let's take Bob and Josh for this example. In regular banking, Bob requests his bank to send $10 to Josh. Then the central bank has to approve, and then Josh finally gets the money. The central bank has control over everything. When did Bob make the payment? How much money does Bob have? How much did Bob pay for 3 bananas? And why did he buy them? Okay, maybe he doesn't know why, but I'm pretty sure everyone buys bananas for the same reason. And if not, just pretend like you do. Please. With Bitcoin, it works differently. Instead of one central authority, like a bank, there are many computers around the world doing the same job as the central bank. These computers run a special program that handles everything. It's decentralized, so if one computer stops working, it doesn't cause any major problems. The more computers running this program, the stronger the system becomes. Anyone can run this program, even you, on your computer, as long as it has at least a graphics card. The people doing this are called Bitcoin miners. They use their computers to keep the network secure and verify transactions. But why would they do that? As a reward, they receive new Bitcoins, and it's also the only way new Bitcoins are created. So they should be millionaires, right? With all those Bitcoins they're getting and the price constantly rising. Well, not exactly. Let me introduce you to Bitcoin halving. Every 4 years, Bitcoin rewards for miners are cut in half. For example, if a miner currently earns 10 Bitcoins for their work, after 4 years, they will receive only 5 Bitcoins. After another 4 years, they'll get just 2.5 Bitcoins, and so on. So, while other currencies are being printed more and more, Bitcoin's supply increases more slowly over time because of that. Eventually, it will reach a maximum limit of 21 millions of coins, and after that, no more Bitcoins will be ever created. Imagine I discover a unique diamond that nobody else will ever find. It's the only one of its kind in the entire world. Right now, it's valued at $1 million, and there are people willing to pay that much for it. However, over the next 100 years, the value of money will decrease because of inflation. Nevertheless, since there's only one of these special diamonds, its price will have to go up. As long as governments continue to print money, assets with limited supply, like Bitcoin and gold, will likely keep increasing in value because there will always be demand for them. Bitcoin is often called digital gold for this reason. However, there is a difference. Gold mines are still being discovered, which could mean there is an endless supply of gold. On the other hand, Bitcoin's supply is kept at 21 million, making it more reliable store of value. And also, you cannot send gold to the opposite side of the world in just few seconds. Bitcoin is getting more and more popular, and there are people who are willing to buy it at any price. So, as long as new dollars are printed, the price of Bitcoin will continue to rise. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.